My name is Nicole, and I've been a Manufacturing Supervisor at Sanofi for 2 years. Every day, I oversee our manufacturing operations to ensure production runs smoothly. From leading and mentoring a large team, to reviewing safety protocols, to optimizing schedules. My role is critical for bringing our therapies to millions of people in need. I'm motivated by my ability to make a positive impact. When I meet production goals in my role, I know it contributes to the well-being of patients. I strive to do better every day. Outside of work, I'm an avid traveler. Traveling opens my mind to new ideas, influencing my approach to problem solving and leadership. My advice to women in the field: recognize the value of your unique perspectives and experiences. Success has many faces, and perseverance is universal. We're not just participants in manufacturing. We're innovators, leaders, and visionaries.